Hi everybody, we have a baby again today, and what we're going to be doing is pre-rolling over. Before the baby rolls over, does a lot of different movements, mini movements I like to call it. So he doesn't feel so much comfortable in this side. So I'm really stimulating, especially the trunk. I want him to feel this going, like the weight transfer from one side to the other side, really slow. So I'm going to be, again, I'm in the back doing the weight transfer, and with this hand coming down. So he starts feeling that his brain is going to start processing. Bless you. All this. See? So this is a pre-rolling over. Showing him with a very gentle way how to do it. And then I slide my hand to the other side, and then slowly I'm going to show him going back. Start showing him. See, now he wants to do it. I'm using introducing the movement a little bit, and I'm letting him do it. So he started getting used to it, he started connecting, he started exploring in and out of the movement. And then I'm coming down to start working on introducing movements around the pelvis. So he wants to do a little bit more. I will have the support. His system feels secure. I really want that. I'm always holding him. I want to make sure he knows I'm here, that he doesn't have to be afraid. So he's halfway, and then I want him to come back and feel the floor. Introduce a little more movements around the pelvis. Yeah. And then I can go back and start introducing movements again to the other side. And I might do a couple more times in this side because he doesn't feel as comfortable. So you can do that. He still feels a little bit tense. So we're going to be here a little bit longer. And I go back and then stimulate the pelvis. I hope you like this video, and Michelle has a lot more videos. Look them up. He has a breathing course that I really recommend, and the pre-crawling I really recommend. Check them out, and see you later. Bye.